Hi, it's Darnell with Way Over Recipes, and today I'm going to be cooking up a frozen pizza in the Chefman Air Touch air fryer oven. And so let's get started on that right now. Alright, so here we have the good old DiGiorno 12-inch frozen pizza, pepperoni, and basically going to put it in here on the low rack level. That way I'm going to, with it being on the low rack, let the lower heating elements heat the bottom up some, and at the same time not be so close to that fan to overcook the top too quickly. So going to get it on out of this cryo bag here and just get it opened up. So we'll just set it on in there like so. And so now I'm going to awaken the cooker, and I'm going to try for this a convection bake. I'm going to do convection bake, and I'm going to set the temperature, well, the time, let's put the time down to 20 minutes since it switched the time. And then for temperature I'm going to do 400 degrees Fahrenheit. So a convection bake, 400, 20 minutes. We'll see how that works. I could do like just a bake, but I'm going to put the convection on, give a little, little of that fan, and we'll see how things work out. But I'm going to hit start with that because this cooker has no preheat. Sure, I could have, let things preheat for a while before putting it in, but just going to go with it. We'll see what happens. I'll bring you back. Alright, so basically let this go for 14 minutes. I think it's looking good, and hope that all is well. I did get a waft of smoke, but there was no smoke during the cook, so all was well during the cook. And I just like to check the inside. It's like 160s, 170s, like 170s in there, kind of bouncing around between the 160s, 170s. So we know that it's very well cooked in just 14 minutes with no preheat, just basically sticking it in there, and you can have a look. There you go at the whole pizza there. Now I'm going to just go ahead and start slicing that pizza up here. Hearing some crunch down on the bottom as I slice into it there. So that's good. That means we've probably got some, nice cooked crust on the bottom, Lord willing. So it seems this probably worked out pretty good with no preheat. I do like that. Get this part here, get that cut there, and I'll just take this piece off here for taste test purposes, and we'll do a taste test now. Alright, so here's our finished pizza. So underneath, give you a look at that. Look at that. Very nicely cooked on the bottom. The bottom does feel, nice and crunchy. So let's do a taste, and thank God for a slice of pizza. Perfect. Crunchy bottom, soft inside. Very good. Very good job by the Chefman. 14 minutes, no preheat, no waiting. Just throw it in and you're done. You're eating fast. So you need a quick meal? This is how you can do it. Now, in the video description there are ways to help the channel. And also, if you like this video, please do give it a thumbs up. Share the video with a friend, leave your comment, subscribe. Hit that notification icon as well. You can go to my blog, superwayoverrecipes.com. Find lots of good stuff there. And there are a link to instructions in the video description also. So with all of that, I say to you and yours, good eating.